Hello everyone. Sorry for that. I was just doing some painting on the wall. You know this kind of painting that you put one hand on the wall and with the other hand you have a tube with color into it. You just need to blow into the tube and the color goes all around the surface. Same technique used thousands of years ago, known as negative hand painting. Something like that. And to be precise, 10,000 years ago, in a dark cave in Western Europe, a man did exactly the same thing as I did today. He put his right hand on the wall, and with his left hand he was holding the tube with the color. That man and me, we have something in common. We are both left-handeds. That man is one of the first evidences in the history of Homo sapiens of the existence of left-handedness. Some clever French researchers, they decided to measure the frequency of left and right hand paintings on those caves. And guess what they found? 23% of those paintings was done from left-handed painters of that time. Now maybe you're gonna ask me, why do we need left-handedness in our evolution when we are surrounded in a world of 80% of righties? Researchers here come with another idea, the fighting hypothesis. According to them, lefties have an advantage when they come to the fight, and maybe this gave them their reproductive success. Facing a left-handed opponent can cause you a surprise effect, since you don't expect a left-handed movement, and the lefty can win the fight. In order to be tested the left-handed hypothesis, researchers measured the frequency of left-handedness and that of homicides rates in different kinds of social groups. The result, higher left-handedness in groups with higher rates of homicides, more violent societies. But your attention, please. I don't say that we lefties were more violent. I just say that maybe we have an advantage when it comes to the fight. Yes. And this advantage is present also nowadays in interactive or more violent sports like fencing or baseball or even boxing, where we find higher frequency of left-handed players or even winners. To sum up, what I learned from this story, since it's a nightmare to live in a society surrounded by righties, by tools designed for right-handed people, as a lefty, I will not give up. And what I learned today is that it's never late to start boxing. Thank you.
As right-handed, I'm not sure I will ask a question. Is there a way or another where this is connected with part of your activity or work or research? Or
could you please repeat your question?
Is the topic of your talk connected with your research topic?
Yes, actually, at the moment I work in a lab where we study handedness and laterality in baboons. So, in order to learn about baboons, I need to know about humans first. I guess.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.